The 2018 Subaru Impreza's inside is agreeable for the whole deal, particularly in the mainstream hatchback arrangement. Utility is a prime reason buyers purchase a Subaru, and the 2018 Subaru Impreza is, well, great. The hatchback form conveniently surpasses its carcan, and its 21 cubic feet of freight space is justified regardless of a point better than expected. We've additionally granted a point for the Impreza's agreeable front seats, which conveys it to a 7 out of 10 on our scale. Base and premium trim levels don't wow with their inside materials, albeit delicate. Touch surfaces enhance the dashboard and front entryways. Advance up to the Sport and Limited and you'll be remunerated with sewed surfaces that dress things up significantly. The Sport's carbon fiber-like inside trim is a decent touch as well. Regardless of whether enclosed by texture or calfskin, the Impreza's front seats offer dynamite bolster. Lamentably, just the Impreza Limited highlights a power customizable driver's seat. Different models agree to manual adjustment. Row 2 is on the ample side for a minimized auto with 36.5 creeps of extra space to move around and 37.2 crawls of headroom even with a discretionary power moonroof. Entrance and departure is especially great through each of the 5 openings, including the storage compartment or bring forth tops. The vehicle's trunk is appraised at a so-so 12.3 cubic feet, however the hatchback's 20.83 squares develop to a strong 55.3 cubic feet when the back seat is collapsed forward. The Subaru Impreza is offered in base, premium, sport, and limited trim levels, all promoted by the automaker as 2.0i in reference to their 2.0-liter Level 4 motors. Following a far-reaching overhaul a year ago, the Impreza includes headlights that turn and off with the windshield wipers on premium and higher trim levels. The Impreza 5 entryway hatchback is the reason for the brand's prevalent, high riding Crosstrek secured separately. These smaller autos brag great street behavior, an agreeable, ample inside, great efficiency, and a superlative well-being record. Just an inside that is simply normal, and the absence of an all the more intense motor alternative keep the 2018 Impreza down. By and large, it procures 7.2 out of 10 focuses.